So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to use the Wolt app and here we go. So here you'll have to download the Wolt app, which is a food delivery application which is based off usually Europe and Japan and other countries. So let's just see right here and just launch the Wolt app. So to use the Wolt app, you'll have to enter your address manually or just use your location automatically by just turning on your location. So let's just say you wanted to have a food. So I've entered my location as in Japan right now. So let's just say I want to order this for an example. Here you will have the ratings, the time when it's open, the delivery time. And here for your first delivery, it's gonna be free. So the menu's Japanese, so they would like to translate it for me. So I will just say yes to that. And there you go. I can read it in English now. So there's also an option for translation. So you can do that if you have to. So here just say I want to order this. So here, please choose the amount of rice. So there are going to be many options for many types of dishes that you're going to be ordering. So let's just say large serving and add to order, and there you go. Let's just say you wanted to order that. I just go to view order, then go to checkout, and then here you will have your delivery address, or you have the option for no contact delivery. Here you also have the payment option for entering a promo code or adding a payment method to order. So let's just say you want to order using your Apple Pay, your PayPal, your any type of online transactions gonna be here. So there's also gonna be a courier tip for this. It's all up to you if you want to tip the courier, but that's here. So here in the price, it will just say your subtotal and the final total, and then just press order in the very bottom. But for me, I have to register since I cannot use this in my country. I cannot order, so I'm just showing it to you guys, and there you go. That's how you basically use the Wolt app, and thank you for watching.